Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out the full bore demolition hammer. Now this is the lightest demolition hammer today because I'm actually going to be using this to do some hi-ho. We're off to the trenches we go. We're going to be doing some trenching because I want to do some electricity upgrades, and doing it yourself with a shovel is taking a long time. So right here, this is 12 joules of demolition power. You get a nice beautiful case. This is a big tool. It's not the biggest, there is a bigger one, and I kind of did like the bigger one more. It's got a nicer handle. However, it was slightly heavier and a lot more powerful. These demolition hammers are not variable speed, so kind of don't want that much power because I don't trust myself. It's like, oh la la, look at that. This is like from Quake or Doom on the BFG. Oi, oi. Ooh, yeah. Now, no, there is a big sign saying maintenance required. That's why there is a hex that you can use here, and you need to fill up with grease every now and then. Of course, new to this stuff, so I'm just gonna be showing you the essentials. And it comes with two pieces. There is a sharp chisel, pointed, and you also get a flat one. But you guys wanna see, will it work with the trenching shovel? This is a clay spade. Oh, it's nice and heavy. Oh, nice and heavy. There you go, trenched up, ready to go. Next, you can also change the alignment of the handle. So I'm just gonna unscrew it here and make it a bit to the left like that. So I can be kind of like digging down and lifting it up like that. Building a bit of forearm muscles as we go. All right, so to check the grease levels, there is a provided hex. It's a 10mm hex. You just put it on the lid and screw it. Okay. So that looks like there's enough grease there. It says in the manual that it comes with 50 hours worth of grease and also a refill tub. And just put it clockwise to screw it back on. Boom, we're ready. You wanna see how this baby sounds? Now I do have some hearing protection because this guy goes 105 dB. Dangerous. I also have some safety protection. I've got some gloves, and I've got some eye protection. I recommend you guys do the same. Let's go test it out. So with this guy, obviously he's the best, but just look how difficult it is. You dig? Nothing. You gotta like kick it. Oh, and then break it up. It looks easy, but as soon as you get a bit of difficulty like rocks, it's very manual. You get a nice scoop. Look kind of good, but it gets really difficult around other areas. This guy, he's really cool, but I'd say this guy's dangerous because you can't, it drills and it's gonna burst whatever it touches. I know you can burst with that one, but like, you're gonna see it right now. It's drills. Yes, it's just very aggressive, and it doesn't even go that deep. It's just very aggressive. You're gonna damage whatever happens there. It does do a lot of work. This guy here, oh, the big guy. It kind of like, it feels like you're sculpting. This is really good. This could be a two-man team. It's very precise. It's nice. Yeah, it just shovels straight through. It's really easy. Look at this. It just does it all for you. It's really nice. I'm actually impressed. The handle's a bit, it just spun out on me, so maybe I'll tighten it up. But what I want to do is I want to take it over to this area here. So this area here, very rocky, big area. So I've been trying to shovel out these plants for a while, and it's very difficult. And when it gets to the part which is concreted up, I don't know, can you see that? Not making much progress. So the next tool is this guy. I guess this guy's gonna be pretty dangerous, but let's just try him out. So he gets stuck around the tree. I'm gonna put him on level 2. He's on level 2 as is. This is the maximum this guy can go. He gets pretty stuck, so it's really made to go down. So you get stuck. Let's see how the Demolition Hammer does it. Get right underneath that tree. Got enough power. It doesn't stop out on me like that guy. Yeah, this handle keeps spinning out on me. It's not that good. So I did like it. It was pretty fun. I think I need a bigger spade and I need a more powerful one, especially for bits where it has concrete. And the handle kept on spinning out on me. I did tighten up as much as possible. I'm gonna continue doing this for another 3 days, I reckon, with this tool. Maybe I should have got the big one. It's still good though. I like that it's light. It did handle soil, hardened soil really well. It just got a bit challenging around the concrete area. I think you need to get 2 people for that area. One shoveling and one just making some damage. Pretty cool. All packed up, ready to go. Gotta say, it was a hell of a fun experience. Oi, oi. And look, just sweat. I've got all over my body. I sweated out. Even cleaned myself up. It was such a good workout. My forearms, beautiful usage. But I just know there's a more powerful one, 2.5 times more powerful. Okay, it costs a bit more, but you're gonna need it. Because it was fine on soil, it was alright near rocks, but on the bits that I needed it to really pump the power in, it just wasn't strong enough. So I'm gonna return this guy, I'm gonna get the more powerful dude, and I'm gonna come back for some more action. Great workout. I enjoyed this stuff, it's really fun. Hit subscribe, like, share, if you guys enjoyed the show.